Hello friends, my name is Raj and you are watching my YouTube channel. In this video, I will tell you the story of my sister Saroj, and with the help of this video, you will achieve some entertainment as well as you can improve your English. So let's start today's video. I have a sister, her name is Saroj. Saroj got married in 2016 with Ram Vilas. Ram Vilas belonged to a middle class family, you can say. He belonged to a farmer family. He have several acres of land. Still, he is a very greedy person. After some months of marriage, Ram Vilas means my Jijaji, he started to annoy my sister Saroj. One day he asked my sister that he did not receive bike in marriage. So so Saroj told me this thing on the phone. I told this thing to my mother and my mother gave Splendor Plus to Ramvilas. Then Ramvilas was happy. Now come on the second part of the story. Saroj Sasuma's behavior was not very good. She always tried to tease my sister. She always tried to to annoy my sister. She made Saroj to do all the works all day. Saroj used to make food at the sasural and ate herself at last. We belong to a middle class family, and Saroj was not very happy at the sasural, but she was cooperating because in our India after marriage sasural is the only home for daughters. So Saroj is a very sensible sister. She was cooperating. She was adjusting all things. So friends, what happened? One day, Saroj Sasuma locked her in the room and put a big lock at the door, and she left the house. And daily she started to do this thing. Whenever Saroj Sasuma used to leave the house, she used to lock Saroj in the house. So Saroj told me this thing. I told this thing to my mother, brother, and sister, and I was very surprised why Saroj Sasuma locked her in the room. Means Saroj is not like a bird; she is a human being, and a human being should not be locked in the room. So there was a big story. There was a big secret behind this. Once Saroj got a chance to talk to a neighbor. Neighbor was a lady who lives near the house of Saroj. She told the whole story. She told the whole secret to my sister. You know what happened? Few years ago, Saroj Sasuma's husband died. After the death of her husband, Saroj Sasuma had a lover and had a affair to a man to a man who used to live in the same village. So Ram Vilas, I mean my Jijaji, was the illegal son of Saroj Sasuma's lover. This was the big secret. So when I knew this thing, I knew about this secret. I told this secret to my mother, to my brother, to my sisters. So this was the whole story. My Jijaji Ram Vilas was the illegal son, was the bastard son of Saroj Sasuma's lover. So that's why Saroj Sasumas used to lock her in the room. She never wanted that Saroj talk to anybody, and Saroj know about this secret, because if Saroj had known this secret, it could create a lot of drama in the family. So that's why Saroj Sasuma used to lock her in the room in the home. So, friend, this was the story, and when I knew it, I was very surprised. My mother was very surprised. My all the family was very surprised. But we did not interfere because we belong from we are daughter's family, and in India Daughter's family are always, they have to they have to adjust the circumstances. So this was the story. I think you would like the video, and if you have liked the video, like, comment and subscribe my channel. If you have any question, ask me in the comment section.